Can you say Minnesota?
Minnesota.
Can you say airplane?
Airplane.
What are you doing?
I'm packing.
You're packing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Stuff.
You're packing stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna get more?
Yeah.
Now what are you packing?
Paper.
Diapers. You put it in the suitcase?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna get more?
Yeah.
What do you have now?
Boot. Boot. Pack.
You're gonna get more?
Yeah.
Now what do you have?
Do that.
You have shoes on? Can you show me? Oh, are you bringing those to Minnesota?
Yeah.
Okay. You're packing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Packing the suitcase. Now what are you packing?
Mommy.
It's a little lovey. Can I see? What is it?
Mommy.
It's a lovey? And you're gonna put it in the suitcase?
Baby out. Button.
Now what do you have?
Baby out.
What is it?
Baby hat.
Oh, the baby's hat. Now you're unpacking? Can you tell me what you're doing? What are you doing?
Cooking.
No, you're not cooking. You're packing.
Packing.
You're packing the suitcase?
Yes.